Assalamu Alaykom. Hi and hello everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Egypa and today we are here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Yes, my very first international travel. I am currently here for Umrah and at the same time nag-tour. While andito, I'm with my father. So I'm very thankful for everyone na pinuntahan kami na nag-accommodate sa amin during our current stay here in Saudi Arabia. So we went to Riyadh, Jeddah, Medina, and Makkah. Dumaan kami sa Taif. Now that I finally have the time to just sit down and talk. So this is what's in my bag, makeup edition. Let's go. Ayan, yun yung ibang bag na dinala ko during here. And then the last one is, eto marami din nagtatanong sa mga videos ko. Ito yung backpack na maliit na lagi kong suot-suot. It's small, but it carries a lot of things. So this is from Hedge Green. And this is a gift from my mother. I did not buy this. And ito, binili niya sa akin ito nung nag-Dubai sila. Ito naman, what I love about this one is yung zipper niya is hindi dito sa harap. So it's really designed for traveling. Kasi yung zipper niya is sa likod. So if you wear it like this, hindi siya mabubuksan basta-basta kasi it's very secure and safe kasi yung zipper nga dito. So medyo mahirap lang siyang buksan kasi you have to take off your bag and then tapos meron lang siyang isang pocket dito sa front. Anyway, moving on. Let's just went through a very fast summary of what's in this bag. I have wet tissue. Bumili ako ng maraming ganito. I usually have yung from Moderna kind na sajada, but nilabhan ko ata siya. I think nilabhan ko. And ito naman yung isa. This one, ito yung dinala ko nung nag-Makkah kami. Manipis at hindi masyadong mabigat. Hindi talaga siya mabigat. Very magaan. When it comes to praying, lalo na sa masjid kayo, you don't have to worry about being comfortable that the type of prayer mat that you bring. You can actually bring as long as meron kang prayer mat. Or minsan okay lang na hindi because the place is already clean. So you can pray anywhere. I still have my pen and paper because I cannot go anywhere without my pen and paper because I have to write my thoughts. Hopefully, mas lalong stable yung ilaw. Okay, dito rin yung phone ko, yung camera ko. I bring two types of camera. A GoPro and then the one that I'm using right now. And other things like my passport, my wallet. Ako pumunta ng money changer. Yung mga tao dito na taga-Pinas, nakipag-exchange lang ko ng pera kasi para walang masyadong charge. Sprays here. I have my alcohol from Mario Badescu. And eto nabili ko to dito lang din sa Sephora. Dito, I have the other one na malaki dito. Nung binili ko siya sa Pinas, nasa 500 pesos, 520. Pero, dito naman, nasa 590 pesos siya if i-convert mo siya sa Philippine peso. I have two sunglasses. Kasi dito marirealize mo talaga ng kailangan mo yung sunglasses. Hindi ako mahilig mag-sunglasses nung andun ako sa Pilipinas kasi hindi naman ako masyadong naglalabas. And if ever I wear sunglasses, I wear it sa disguise or nasa airport pag matutulog, sa car pag matutulog. Yun lang talaga yung purpose ng sunglasses. Pagdating ko dito, dun ko na-realize parang wow, kailangan mo talaga ng sunglasses. Kaya pala ang hilig-hilig ng mga Arabs magsuot ng sunglasses because it's very hot in here. And of course, the sun is directly at your face. Talaga makakakita directly into the sunlight if you're not wearing your eyeglasses. So, mahilig ako sa mga bigger glasses. Ewan ko, sobrang cool lang talaga tingnan yung mga Arabs whenever they're wearing their eyeglasses. So, this one is a gift from my father. This is from Fendi. This is my dad. Sometimes I feel like a princess kapag sumasama ako sa kanya. Because now that I'm older, we rarely go out and I rarely let him spoil me. But whenever I do, I'm super spoiled. Okay, so we are finally moving on with the actual makeup. Ito yung makeup kit ko. And then I have another one na iniiwan ko sa bahay, iniiwan ko sa hotel room, iniiwan ko sa condo. So, palagi kong dala itong dalawa na to. And yeah, let's go. Let's start. I keep with me a mirror. Nung pumunta ako dito ng Saudi, ako masyadong nagdala ng mga gamit kasi I was thinking na dito na ako bibili ng makeup. Ang ending, mas mahal pa pala dito yung makeup. Okay lang na makalimutan ko to, pero wag lang ito. Kasi nandito lahat ng mga basic things that I need. Kung dry yung skin ko sa Pilipinas, mas super dry pa dito yung skin ko. the air is super dry, the weather is very hot, so you need to reapply Vaseline, your lotion, like oras-oras kailangan mo mag-reapply kasi sobrang drying talaga. So I keep my very favorite. A lot of you are mostly ask me kung ano yung ginagamit ko sa lips ko. If I wear lipstick, I do not wear lipstick. I rarely use lipstick kasi napaka-dry ng lips ko. So I always need to carry with me a Vaseline or anything na lip therapy kasi I cannot survive. And then this other one is from Burst B. If you have watched my previous videos about makeup, you will know that I don't like putting on heavy makeup. As much as possible, I want everything to be light. I want everything to be as natural as possible and much closer to your skin. Cut off using foundation in my routine, but I only keep 2 types of concealer. My all-time favorite, this is the NARS Soft Matte Concealer and I'm in the shade Canil. Ito yung ginagawa ko. You dab in a little bit and anywhere in your face that needs concealing. Yan. Example dito. Or sometimes I put it under my eye, but I don't put it dito lahat. Parang dito lang, idadab ko lang siya dito na part. Kasi I still want my under eye to show. Hindi ko maintindihan bakit ganun. Sheer lang, yung kita pa rin yung pimples, kita pa rin yung imperfections of your skin. So, I tried the Start Ultra Creamy Concealer. And sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Mas ginagamit ko na siya ngayon compare sa NARS. Ito gagamitin ko talaga here in a more drier place. Balik ko ng Pilipinas. Babalik pa rin ako dito sa NARS na to. So I have to make use of ewan ko, paano ko siya gagamitin. But yeah, I like this. It's very, very good. So those are my base. And eyebrow. And I've been using the same product over and over and over again. Nakakarami na ako ng ganito. So, I use the strokes. Yeah, I use strokes only for my eyebrow. So, Brow Sculptor Duo. I don't know if you can see that. Yung microblade pen protector still from strokes. I only go with strokes. They're very friendly with the type of makeup na no makeup look. So, the longest time I will wear my makeup is 5 hours. Kasi after that, maghihilamos na ako. For the setting of my brow, I use this one as well. Ito, Benefit. This is the 24-hour brow setter. And this is the Gimme Brow in the shade 3. I have been using this product for almost 2 years din kasabay nung stroke kasi they're perfect combination. Clear one, so it sets your brow in place. Talagang hindi na talaga gagalaw yung... And this one is a shade. Meron siyang shade, kaya meron siyang shade and fibers. So, mas kumakapal yung kilay mo kapag ito yung ginagamit mo. So, ang ginagawa ko, minsan kino-combine ko sila if I'm going to an event. But if not, I'm good with this already kasi it lasts very long. If I'm gonna be in front of the camera for a long time, I will use this para mas merong texture yung kilay ko and mas fluffy siyang tingnan. This is a lipstick. It's a magic lipstick. Dito lang. Dito ko actually nabili dito sa Saudi. Ito. Ayan. Color green siya. But the thing is, nagiging red siya if you apply it on your lips and on your cheeks or any part of your body. Look. I am not sure if you can see it, but nagkakaroon siya ng kulay. So, I also use this cheeks ko, really lip. So, ito na yung ginagamit kong blush at the same time. Parang siyang petroleum jelly na may kulay. So, at least it gives a little bit of glow in your face. So, ito na yung ginagamit kong blush on at the same time lipstick. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finishing Powder. Nabili ko to dahil sa TikTok, dahil maraming may gusto. Ayan, I'm hitting the pan already and I think I need to repurchase this one. Pero, the thing is, I like a different powder compared to this kasi ito, medyo mas mabigat siya sa mukha. Very rare lang ako gumamit ng mascara. But, what I do, para magmukha ako merong mascara, gamit ako ng eyeliners. I have 2. Both are my favorite. This is my all-time favorite. This is the Hyper Sharp eyeliner from Maybelline. Very, very small yung kanyang tip. Cover ko itong pink flash na brown. This one is color brown kasi. And this one looks more natural and more subtle on your eyes. So, ito yung madalas ko nang ginagawa. And I keep 2 types of brushes lang sa makeup bag na to. This is from Real Technique. And ito yung crease brush for my eyes and for my nose. And then I have a tapered brush na ginagamit ko for powder, ginaganyan-ganyan ko lang. And of course, the most important part of them all is my contour sa aking ilong. Kasi hindi naman po katangusan ng aking ilong. This is the face sculpt and I'm in the shade Peanut. Okay, lastly, we have one from the lips. And I'm not a fan of matte lipstick. I'm not a fan of anything that makes your lips crusty. As much as possible, I want my lips to be shiny, to be plumpy, or as natural as possible. I have this Rare Beauty na lip liner and it's in the shade Talented. This is by Selena Gomez and this is just to line my lips kasi it makes a lot of difference when you line your lips. So after lining my lips, I am going to apply the Lip Glow Oil from Dior. Ang hirap-hirap niyang hanapin, ang hirap-hirap niyang hagilapin. This is in the shade Rosewood. Ilang balik ko na sa Dior Philippines, sa Megam siya, sa SM Aura, lahat ng Dior, sa Greenbelt, pinuntahan ko na, lagi siyang sold out. Dito ko lang pala siya mabibili sa Saudi. So that is it for everything. Oh, meron pa pala. So ito yung bigay pala ni Princess Jasmine na eyeliner sa under eye, but I'm not really a fan of that. And then I have small perfumes na kinikip ko dito.